here. Today, let's explore one of the most iconic and beloved dishes in the world, Plov, also known as Pilaf. This dish isn't just food, it's a cultural treasure that tells a story of tradition, celebration, and the art of cooking rice to perfection. Plov is essentially a flavorful rice dish cooked with a mix of ingredients that vary depending on the region. It's incredibly popular across Central Asia, the Caucasus, the Middle East, and beyond. But no matter where it's made, Plov is always a special dish, often prepared for festive occasions, family gatherings, and important celebrations. At its heart, Plov is rice cooked with meat, usually lamb or beef, and a blend of spices, vegetables, and sometimes dried fruits or nuts. What makes Plov stand out is the way it's cooked to achieve a perfect balance of flavors and textures. The rice in Plov is typically long grain and cooked in a special way to keep it fluffy and separate, never sticky. The meat is browned first to develop rich flavors, then combined with onions, carrots, and sometimes garlic, creating a fragrant base. These ingredients simmer together slowly, allowing the rice to absorb all those delicious juices and spices. One key ingredient in many Plov recipes is saffron or turmeric, which gives the rice a beautiful golden color and a subtle earthy aroma. Carrots add sweetness and a lovely texture contrast, while dried fruits like raisins or apricots sometimes make an appearance, adding bursts of sweetness that balance the savory elements. Plov is more than just a one-pot meal. It's a dish that brings people together. In many cultures, making Plov is a communal activity, with family members or friends gathering to prepare and enjoy it together. The process can be long and requires patience, but the end result is a dish that's rich in flavor and meaning. Serving Plov is also a special moment. It's often presented on a large platter, garnished with fresh herbs, nuts like almonds or pistachios, and sometimes served with a side of yogurt or fresh salad. The colorful presentation reflects the care and pride that goes into making this dish. Each bite of Plov offers a harmony of tastes: the tender, seasoned meat, the fluffy Attic rice, the sweet notes from carrots and fruits, and the crunch of nuts. It's a celebration of simple ingredients elevated by skill and tradition. If you ever visit regions famous for Plov like Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, or Iran, trying their unique versions is a must. Each place adds its own twist, but the heart of Plov remains the same, a dish that nourishes both body and soul. Making Plov at home can be a rewarding experience. With some practice, you can master the technique of cooking perfect rice and creating that wonderful balance of flavors that make Plov so unforgettable. So next time you want a meal that's full of history, culture, and delicious taste, think Plov, a timeless classic that brings warmth and togetherness to the table. Plov, fragrant, colorful, and deeply satisfying, a true culinary treasure.